Welcome back to Excel with Ernest. Please like, share, and follow TechieTrain on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. We are on Excel basic functions, and I will show you functions that have to do with text, which is the proper, upper, trim, left, and right. We'll be going into more functions, and we'll be answering questions using these functions so we can familiarize ourselves with it and get used to it and understand more. So this is the data set we'll be using to answer all 6 questions. Now let's start with the first question. Convert the officer name to proper case. Sorry, this should be deleted. The first question is convert full name to proper case. So the full name, you have to convert full name here to proper case. To convert to proper case, like I said before, let's call here proper. We use the proper function. Proper case is the proper function convert a text string to a proper case. The first letter in each word to uppercase and all the other letters to lowercase. Proper case is simply all the first letters will be in capital letter and the others will be small letter. That is just what proper case is saying. So we'll find full name, which is B2 brackets, and here we have it. Here you can see the first letter is capital while the rest is small letters. Now you can double click to fill, or you drag to fill. So here we have the Bola Ade in capital letters in proper case, Chinedu proper case, and the rest of them are in proper case. Proper case is first letter capital, the rest small letter. Now let's answer the second question. Extract the employee number from the employee code, middle 3 digits. That is employee code. So we are going to extract these three numbers. To extract the 3 numbers, let's go here employee code. Let's go here employee code. So we are going to extract these 3 numbers. That is 001. We are going to extract it from there. To extract it, rather than typing it down, we can type it down to give us a 001. But we are not looking for this. We are going to use a function to properly extract the numbers from there. To do that, we use a function called mid, the mid function. Now, unlike the left and right, the mid function starts from the middle to calculate. So the mid returns the characters from the middle of a text string, given the starting position and length. So it will return character from the middle of a text string. When you give it a starting position, it will not count from there with the length that will be given. Let's visually display this. So mid, you put the text which is our A2, that is the range, and then the start number. We come over here, we notice 1 2 3 4 5. So we want it to start from 5, which is 001, and count. So it will count from this 0 here, which is the 5th character. So it will start from the 5th character. That is the start number. And then the number of the length, you have to find the length That is not just find the length. What we are looking for, okay, we'll give the length that we want to be returned to us. Like where is it starting from 001 and count to the end, or is just counting 001 to L? We are going to count how many we want to extract, which the characters we want to extract is 1, 2 and 3. So we need 3 characters extracted from it. Here we have 001. What this is that on this text, the mid function is what you are telling Excel that on this text A2, start from the 5th character, count 3 times and return the values to us, and that's where we get our 001 from. So you get 001 from the employee code. So the mid function is to get the middle number. We get the middle number, that is from where it should start and the length it should give us, and then return back to us. Now we fill this in all, and we have our 001, 002, 003, 004. This is good when you want to pick out, when you want to select a part of a text and get it. So we've answered question number 2 and question number 3. Extract the last 2 letters of employee code, that is the location code. Now employee code, that is the location. So this will be employee location. Let's call here e location. So we have to get the LG, AB, PH, and so on and so forth. So we use the write function. The write function returns a specified number of characters from the end of a string. That is, it will start and return from the end of this string and give it to us. So we'll give it the values we want. So we start from the right and count. So we'll put the text that we want, which is A2. That is our range, and then the number of characters we want. We only want 2, which is LG, AB. We want only the location, and then you can see it will start from the G and count to the L, then return it to us. So the write function is to count from the right and give us the specified number of characters, while the mid function is to start from our indicated spot wherever we want to start from and count and give it to us. Like here, if we say instead of 5 we say something like 3, enter, you can see we have 1, 2. It starts from 3, that is 1, 2, 3, and give it to us. But if we change this 3 to 5 to give us 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there you have it. The mid function is our specified location on the text and the number of characters. The write function is from the right and the specified number of characters that we need. The proper case is to get the proper to put the first letter in capital letter and the rest in small letter. That is what proper case is. So in the next video we'll be answering the last 3 questions for this data set. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.